In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Venza key fob to replace the internal battery at home. The process to do this is very easy. You will just need one of these CR2032 batteries to get it all done. And if you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step to opening this up is just to look on the bottom, and you can see there's that switch there. Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now you're going to need a little flathead screwdriver for this. You can see there's the keyhole right there, and then there's this little kind of slot in the plastic right next to it. Take your flathead screwdriver and insert it into that area and twist, and the device will crack right open like that. You can set this down to the side for now, and then just dump out this inner component that houses the battery. Now up in the top, right in the corner there, there's a little space that is for removing the battery. So we're just going to insert a flathead screwdriver into there and pry the battery out. If your screwdriver is a little bit too large, I would recommend using something smaller, just like a small piece of metal. This is a precision screwdriver. You could probably use a paper clip, a bobby pin, something like that. Just anything that will fit in this hole and allow you to pry the battery out. And if you can get in there, it actually doesn't take that much force to remove the battery. So make sure when you're putting your new battery in, the positive side is going face up. So you will just slide that in there and click it into place, and the plus sign should be facing up. And we can just put it all back together now. So on the back piece of plastic, you can see there's that circle in there. The battery will sit directly on top of that. So just set that on top, just like that. And now we can just click the two halves of the device back together. Squeeze it together and put the key back in. And that is all it takes. You are all set and good to go. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in one of your key fobs, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube. We have videos for pretty much every device from every make or model, and you can also see all of that information or more over at our website, fobbattery.com.